চলবে না ওয়াগের গাওয়া সম্মান করা চলবে না চলছে না চলবে না ওয়াগের গাওয়া সম্মান করা চলবে না চলছে না চলবে না Gomati district সি 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 Gomati district সি 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 Gomati district চলে না চলে না চলে না
Permanent itu lihat. Kalau request kayu please, tentu tanah.
Betul sih itu angkat sih. Muat sih baju itu. Go. Hey, Pascal! Apa? Sudah! Offlce.
पुलिस तरफ बारिश ना कोई तेल लोग गला wah jangan kita wih itu deh mau kita hah mau kita udah gratis masuk tim. Wah, boro pulang kemana ya? Pulang di sana enggak? Pulis taruh balik sana, pulis belok ke sana. Ada Wah, ang bisa di.
Yak. Ini yak nun. Swbai team hoite जों कायसे प्रेस मिट खाया गुमति हांखौनो जत जागा तालारना हिनै दिना दिन हायसे सेकेंड जोन वाति पानों तों नवर पानों तों फेरां पानों तों जों तालारनाय मीन्स नाय सिनि कगनि जबाम जोंहाबो पुन्नि नरिया एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर तुमुंनो बरक अवनतियै हाइलां बेबे नावै खरकसा डीएम नि बागै बरक हायनो लाइकेसा नाव हंकां के बरक वान सुखों हायसे जों तिनि अमो गुमति डीएम सिमित तिनि बंदंखा खना सोनी टाइम दिनो आफुरपुरा एंटायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इफेक्ट नानी चांस दंगो जतो जागा एरिया वो रोड ब्लॉकेट बान नानी चांस दंगो एंटायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट है अब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा तिनि सारिनि बिचिंगो जोंना एग्जैक्ट वैलिड रीजन नानी जों आमनो जोंखयो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा डॉक्टर मानिक शाह ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड एज वेल एज द चीफ सेक्रेटरी जेके सिन्हा जी थैंक यू
Thank you to all the media friends. Now we are here standing in just in front of the Gomati DM District Magistraate Office. So earlier in our press conference we have said that if the government of Tripura is not giving us solutions or taking such initiative on regarding the DM of Gomati, then we will lock all the offices entire in Gomati district. So this is come to it. We have locked the offices with 2 offices we have already locked, and this is not the end. This is just the beginning. I would just like to say and I convey my message to all the medias to the government of Tripura that if the government of Tripura doesn't give us solutions us by today evening, this protest is going to be somewhat bigger than which is beginning as of now. It will affect in the entire state, in entire district, whether it is south, whether it is Sipaizala, whether it is Gomati, whether it is north, everywhere we are going to have a route blockade, or else we'll shut all the offices, and later the blame should not come to YTF, TWF, Tipramotha. Why is that? We have said, we have given you a time-bound manner of 96 hours, which means 4 days. In that time course, in that given time course, you cannot just give us solutions for a single DM. That is what we like to convey our message. I just want to say one more thing. Will the government of Tripura stay with one singular DM or with the alliance party, the promoter? You think wisely. That is what I would like to say. I would like to pass my message to government of Tripura, Shah and his governments. And if this thing can bring us to solutions, we will lock all the offices, we will block all the offices, we will block entire state in Tripura. It might be tomorrow or day after. We'll sit. That is why we are sitting together today with all our representatives, with all our leaders, and we'll discuss in a time-bound manner. We'll give you a press briefing. In full press briefing, you will all come to know that what is our strategy for the upcoming program on this issue. This issue is not lightly. This is very serious. We urge and request government of Tripura to look into this matter very seriously. Don't take it lightly, because if it is lightly, you all know that we all our warriors got wet in this raining season. We all protest against such DM, which is not tolerable in our entire society, in entire district. That is what our demand is. In future, he should not be given as a post of DM, and he should be removed from this district, and in future he should not be given the post of DM because he is not the quality and qualifier of this post or this chair for serving the people of Tripura. Thank you.